Okay, hey, I think I'm pretty much done with this machine. Eventually I want to get some surround sound feedback, but that comes within time. I've put this 21-inch monitor up here for a backglass. That's the little monitor that came with it, but it was about 2/3 of the size and it was masked out, so I took the case off and got a 3D printed frame for that, which made it substantially larger. This was a 23-inch 1080p screen. Now it has a 27-inch 1440p. I thought 4K would be kind of overkill at that size, so I didn't do that. Let's flip through some tables. Notice the dynamic backglass changing and everything else. A great deal of these are recreations, but a lot of them are original tables that people made. Oh yeah, I got loading screens now. Just as an example. Which is kind of cool. Not all of them have loading screens, but a lot of them do. Anyway, back to the go through. There's this one. This is the pinball table that was on Happy Days, which was supposedly in the 50s, but this table's like from the late 60s, early 70s. And then I got them categorized by the makers. Stern, Williams, Bally, Gottlieb. That way it's easier to filter them down a little bit.